Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this African dish which is bankutuo with ayoyo and okro soup with some stew. Let's get started. I have this banchimole, that is the fermented cassava dough, which I bought for 4 Ghana cedis, and I'll be using it to make my bankutuo. So I'm breaking it into pieces. So now see how it is. I'll go ahead and add my cornstarch. It shouldn't be much. If you put plenty cornstarch, you will not enjoy your bankutuo. It will be very hard. So I then go ahead and add some water. Then I add salt and mix it together. With the thickness, it should not be very thick and it should not be very light. It should just be like how I have done mine. So after mixing everything, I place it on the heat. Then I keep on stirring till everything comes together. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. So you can see how everything is turning out. So I'll continuously stir it, and it will get to the tuo texture that I want. After everything comes together, I covered it. Then I allowed it to cook for 10 minutes before I opened the lid and I stirred it again. So I repeated this process twice, that is covering it with the lid. I have this boiling water into which I'll be adding my chopped okro into it, and I'll let it also cook before I prepare my stew. So this is my bankutuo. I'm now going to tie it in this rubbers and I'll set it aside. Please don't forget to always cover it with the lid and allow the heat or the steam to cook it for 10 minutes. Then you open, stir it again, then you cover and let it cook for another 10 minutes before you turn off your heat or your flame. I'll be very glad if you try this and let me know how it went with you by leaving comments in the comment section. And please don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, I say well done for always staying tuned to this channel, and thank you for the support. I'm done tying my bankutuo, so I'll now check on the okro. The okro is done. I'll set it aside and add some salt to it. I have green bell pepper, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger and onions, which I have blended and added into this palm oil. So I have my tomato paste here that I just added, and I'm giving it a very quick stir. I'll go ahead and add some stock cube, black pepper, salt and fish powder. This is a simple stew that is necessary for bankutuo with ayoyo and okro. You may also use peanut butter soup for your bankutuo or your palm nut soup. My stew is ready now. I'll just move to the ayoyo that I boiled earlier on and I blended it. I have a video on how to make ayoyo soup, please check on that on this channel. Everything is done now, and it's time for me to serve my bankutuo with these two soups that I prepared. So this is my ayoyo. I blended it, but in my other video I use the kebab sticks to make it smooth, so you can choose whichever you want to. Isn't this beautiful? I enjoy this with the rest of the family. I hope to hear from you when you try this. Have a wonderful time. Bye.